Welcome to PGB Connect Virtual Exhibition 2020. This is Swagelok Indonesia, your total solution provider. Swagelok is a global developer and provider of high quality and reliable fluid system solutions, including products, assemblies, and services. Click to start your Swagelok journey.
Swagelok Indonesia Overview. With over than 44 years of experience in Indonesia, Swagelok Indonesia's authorized sales and service center is operated by knowledgeable locals who speaks and understands the culture of Indonesia. We have created a seamless collaboration with Swagelok Company with currently 43 associates in 7 different locations nationwide. Our inventory is also conveniently located in Singapore as well as Indonesia.
Swagelok Indonesia business model. Swagelok products and services are delivered from Swagelok in Ohio, USA to our regional office, Indofluid System Technologies, located in Singapore. It serves as a logistics hub and serves our valued customers in Batam and customers across Indonesia where goods hand over required outside Indonesian custom. As PT Putranata Adi Mandiri, our main office will serve the rest of the customer in Indonesia. Jakarta is a local multi-product line company with 100% Indonesian ownership registered with the State Oil and Gas Regulator SKK Migas.
Before we continue, here is a few words from Mr. Andrew Wong, Managing Director of Swagelok Indonesia.
Selamat datang and welcome to Swagelok Indonesia. The new Swagelok Indonesia was formed on 1st of November 2013. Since then, we have been striving to provide you, our valued customers, with high-quality Swagelok products and solutions, delivered efficiently by our team of well-trained technical experts. Through our engagement with you, we hear your needs.
Together under the leadership of Mr. Andrew Wong, Swagelok Indonesia envisioned to be customers' total solution partner and is on a mission to provide excellent solutions by leverage on the resources, strengths, and capabilities.
Quality Policy. This is Swagelok Indonesia's quality management commitment, as we are dedicated to continuously improve our quality management system. With ISO 9001-2015, ISO 45001, and SQSD standards, we strive to consistently provide our customers with excellent quality products and services. Our effort to continually improve our quality management system includes always meeting customers' expectations and satisfactions, upgrading skill sets of our associates through rigorous trainings, and staying ahead of business risks through comprehensive analysis and continuous improvements.
Solution Provider. Whether you want to increase plant safety, efficiency, improve fluid system health, reduce emission, get new workers up to speed quickly, or simply catch up when your team is short-handed, our fluid and sampling system expert can help. Swagelok Indonesia can help you reach your goals by providing training, on-site, and Swagelok custom solutions.
Geographical coverage. Swagelok Indonesia covers Indonesia nationwide region, and to respond to market in a timely manner is managed through 3 different groups. Group 1, highlighted in blue, is DKI Jakarta and Eastern Indonesia. Group 2, highlighted in green, includes Sumatra, West Java, East Java, and Kalimantan. Group 3, highlighted in orange, covers the islands of Riau. We have Swagelok representatives based in those regions to help you with your fluid system challenge.
Swagelok Indonesia Services Area. These are the areas of coverage for our services. with our regional office located in Singapore, main office, warehouse, service center in Jakarta, and a representative office in Surabaya.
These are the contact information for Swagelok Indonesia, Jakarta main office, our regional office located in Singapore, and our representative office in Surabaya.
Thank you for watching. Swagelok Indonesia, your total solutions provider.